Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to connect the tail light and the turn signals with the Motone wire harness. You'll get a black wire, yellow and red. So this is the wiring harness from Motone. So it has one end that connects to the bike and the other end has two different set of wires. So this is for your turn signals and this is for your rear. So the way you connect is you take the red and connect it to yellow. The easiest way to remember is black goes with black. So on the wiring harness you have a black wire that goes with the black wire here. So then you have on here, then you have yellow and red. So here we have then blue and red. So red never goes with red, and that then only leaves with you the option of yellow and red. So that's how it is easy to remember. Alright, so I'm gonna make the connection now. So black, you can easily connect with black to black. So go ahead and connect that. You'll hear a clicking sound, so that's when you know the connection is perfect. So you connected black to black. Now red and yellow. So you got red on the harness, yellow on the tail light. That's connected. Now the only remaining is blue and red, the color of America. So let's connect that. Alright, so three good connections. Kind of adjust this so that... Alright, now for the turn light. Let's say if you have a Motone turn light, then you will have two wires, one with red and one with black. And on the wiring harness, you will have these different colors, say black, brown, red and orange. So the way it connects is the black goes to the black. On the wiring harness, it's a two prong. So one of the black from the turn light goes in here, and the other black from the other turn light also goes in here. That's why it's a two prong. And then you only got red. So this red on the wiring harness is never used. So the red never goes with the red on the turn light. So then you only got left with one brown and one orange on the wiring harness. So the red goes to the brown for the right indicator, and the red from the other turn light goes to the orange for the left indicator. So that's the only thing that you have to remember, to make sure that right is brown and left turn light is orange. So the red light, depending on right or left, you connect to the orange or brown. So then for British custom turn light, it comes with, instead of black and red, it comes with the black and then another one with black and white wire. So the black and white wire is the power, which is equivalent to the red. So that goes to the, again on the harness, either to the orange or to the brown, depending on your connecting left or right. So in my case, as you can see, this is a British custom. So it got black and white wire, as I was telling you. So if you look at the wires here, it got a black wire and another black and white wire. So this black and white wire is the one that is power. So in this case, this is the left. So it is connected to the orange on the wiring harness, and the black goes to the black. So that's all you got to remember. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Now you can tuck the wire in and you're all set. Alright, now it's time to test the lights and see if it works.